correct. Good to go.
Hi, sir. We have Khushbu from Bolly UK Media with us.
Yeah.
Just one sec. Hold on. Karan, will you give the countdown?
Yes, I'm giving the cue. Yeah.
Right.
Sound rolling. Action. Over to you, Khushbu.
Okay. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. And first of all, many congratulations on your trailer. The trailer looks good for the movie, and it's a sure hit. So, first of all, how are you doing, sir?
Good. Thank you. Nice connecting with you, Khushbu. I'm good. How about you?
Great, sir. Great, sir.
Super.
So,
Yeah.
How are your days going post the production, post the movie? How is the process going on since it's online this time?
All good. Now we are caught up with the promotion, trailer launch. It happened yesterday. So interviews and stuff. The routine promotion is happening, and
Right.
waiting excitedly.
So, how was your working with Imran sir and Nikita ma'am and Manav sir? So, how is your working with them?
Oh, fabulous. We are collaborating for the first time, and Imran, as we all know, is an accomplished big star, and as also somebody who has who has a record in this particular genre. So I wanted an intense actor, and everything fell in place, and Imran Hashmi came on board. So yeah, it was fabulous working with him, and very cooperative, who knows his craft when it comes to this genre. So all I had to do was to call for action and cut. So it was a cakewalk with him. And when it comes to Nikita, I wanted a relatively fresh face and a good actor. So that's how we ended up working with Nikita. And Manav, I wanted somebody who has a very expressive eyes, and who has a little bit of Jewish feature. And we all know that Manav is also a very established and an actor of par excellence. So that's how Manav also came into the picture, and we had a great time shooting the film.
That sounds really amazing. So again, as I said, the trailer looks really amazing. They're like perfect shots and everything. So I'm pretty sure there might be some interesting incidents behind those scenes. So would you like to share some of them?
Well, we were shooting mostly nights. So, when you are shooting nights, it is a little tricky. So there wasn't much of, we were like coming to the set, working and going back. That was our, a regular routine while having the first schedule, which was in Mauritius. But, things changed when we started shooting the second schedule. Pandemic happened, it was post the first lockdown. So the setting, the whole mahol, the whole ambience, the whole surrounding everywhere was filled with fear because of the pandemic. And ironically, we were shooting the horror sequence in the set that was in Bombay. So that irony, we were discussing about the irony. We're shooting the horror sequence here, and as we get out of the studio, it's all, people has changed, the perspective of people has changed, the surrounding has changed. So it was fear looming all around the city or the country or worldwide. So that was quite a experience.
So as you mentioned that it was very difficult to shoot during the pandemic. So again, if you're shooting on the pandemic, now the movie is going to release on the OTT platform. So what are your thoughts on that?
Well, you can't help it. When the situation, will have to, abide by the rules and regulation of the, the pandemic. So we were shooting mostly indoors. So that way we were lucky. So we could manage with the limited crew and stuff. And coming to the OTT platform, we are excited and thrilled because Amazon Prime Video is premiering the movie in 240 plus countries worldwide. That to a Halloween weekend. So, Indian homegrown horror film, which is a pure play horror, releasing worldwide. So, I think we're excited and waiting for the feedback from all over the world.
Okay, that's great, sir. And so, sir, like since this is a really nice thing that's happening, are there any upcoming projects that we could know about?
Well, as of now, I'm engaged with the promotion of the book, and the post production just got over and stuff. So I'm too early to comment on my future Hindi projects.
Okay. So one question, why the book? I mean, what was the motive or inspiration behind it?
Well, the book means a spirit, a malicious spirit, in this language, Hebrew. So Hebrew is the official language of Jews worldwide. So the USP of the film is it's a horror film with a Jewish cultural twist. It's always good to have a horror film with some relevance. It could be cultural, religious, or social. So, I've taken this cultural and religious relevance of Jews. So it's a film with Jewish cultural twist, which is a USP. Perhaps it's the first film, not perhaps, it's the first film in Hindi cinema with a horror film with a Jewish backdrop. So the crux of the story is about a Dibuk possessing one of the main characters. So that's how we coined the name Dibuk for the title.
Okay. So horror movies in Bollywood, like this is a very rare thing, like there are very less movies when it comes to horror genre. So like this was a very courageous attempt from your side. So like what made you take this?
Yeah, most of the films made in Bollywood in Hindi industry is horror comedies. So it is kind of a sub-genre to this mother genre, which is pure horror. So, maybe, I don't know. Now here, when it comes to Dibuk, we don't have the safety net of comedy. It's pure play horror. And I think more and more filmmakers should come and explore the mother genre. So there are a lot of subgenres like zombie horror, slash horror, supernatural horror. So whatever it is, but it has to be pure play horror. And I think if horror has immense potential in India and worldwide. I think it's high time filmmakers and actors and production houses venture into pure play horror, and I hope that soon we will be able to witness that.
Correct. So, sir, my last message, any message to all your fans out there who are waiting to see the movie?
Well, I can assure you that it's going to be an engaging and entertaining film with a lot of, scare sequences. So enjoy your time watching it, preferably in the night, with a popcorn and, under your blanket, and, enjoy the film and enjoy the spooky ride.
So true. So really waiting for the movie to come out. And once again, congratulations for the movie. And it was really nice talking to you, meeting you for the first.
Thanks. Nice connecting with you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thanks, Kushbu. You're good to log off. Thank you.